F'konferenza organizzata mill-Kamra n-Negozji Żgħar u Medji, il-Prim Ministru Robert Abela saħaq li l-Gvern qed jinvesti fil-ħaddiema ta' pajjiżna. Meta kienet iwieġeb għad-domandi tal-Kap Eżekuttiv tal-Kamra n-Negozji Żgħar u Medji, Abigail Mamo, il-Prim Ministru tkellem dwar kif il-Gvern qed ikun ta' spalla n-negozji u qal li din l-għajnuna qed issarraf f'riżultati fosthom fit-tnaqqis tal-qatt.
I disagree that we are currently spending. We are currently investing in our workforce, investing in our business community. And I am more than convinced that this investment will yield great returns. And just to name one of the many returns, of the big returns which we are already experiencing as a result of the investment which we have made in our workforce and in our businesses, is that we are one of the few countries in the world where unemployment is falling.
Il-Prim Ministru tkellem ukoll dwar kif il-budget li se jitressa għas-sena d-dieħla se jħares lejn is-sostenibilità tal-ekonomija Maltija. Qal li miżuri ta' għajnuna bħal ħlas tal-pagi u oħrajn kienu lkoll miżuri li għenu mhux ftit lin-negozji u issa wasalna f'fażi fejn l-għajnuna tkun immirata lil dawk li jeħtieġilhom imbuttatura partikolari.
We must also, however, make sure that assistance is targeted and conducive to the next phase of our next economic response in the particular phase we are in of COVID-19, keeping also in mind that this could take a bit longer than expected. The prospects are there. We have good prospects of getting a vaccine in the coming weeks, in the coming months rather than in the coming weeks. But one still has to pace the way in which measures are kept into place.
Il-Prim Ministru tkellem ukoll dwar it-tisħiħ tas-saltna ta' dritt u l-governanza tajba u saħaq kif dan il-Gvern tassew jemmen li wettaq riformi meħtieġa u mhux għax hemm xi istituzzjoni barranija issus fuq pajjiżna. Qal li fl-ewwel 8 xhur ta' Gvern immexxi minnu ingħataw sinjali ċari dwar dan.
Restoring reputation and keeping a good level of governance is a fluid process, is an ongoing process. So actually there is no set target where one or a deadline rather than a target. It is a fluid process where one has to keep adjusting to make constant changes to good governance matters. But I believe we have created a solid base during these last 8 months. It wasn't an easy issue to tackle, but I believe we have tackled it successfully.
Il-Prim Ministru għalaq l-intervent tiegħu permezz ta' ħsieb dwar il-viżjoni tiegħu għal pajjiżna fejn quliet Malta jirċievu l-aqwa edukazzjoni u fejn l-ambjent u tkabbir ekonomiku jimxu id fit.
A country where our industrial infrastructure will be state-of-the-art and able to host the fourth industrial revolution, Industry 4.0. A country where our students, our children, will have the highest level of education possible, where better environment and economic growth go hand in hand, where they are one and the same thing. A country where you will be proud to call Malta home.